Let's look at a couple other things we can do that are bad. There's a thing called a hidden octave. Hidden parallels. Let's make some. So let's say our cantus firmus had something like this, something like that, and we harmonized it this way. Okay? What did we do wrong here? Okay, this is a confusing one. This is called a hidden octave because this is going to blow your mind. In this leap, right, between these two notes, so we're all stepwise down here, so that's fine, but this one has a leap. And in that leap, there's an implication that we skipped over two notes. The missing two notes here are B and C. Because we leaped over B and C, but there's still kind of a C there. The idea is that because you leaped over them doesn't mean that they don't exist. That's why they're hidden. This is a weird concept, but it exists. So if this is the case, if those notes were actually there, we have a parallel octave between here and here, right? That's called a hidden octave. So you have to watch out for leaps going into octaves because you can imply with a hidden note that there's a parallel octave. Okay, so just watch out for leaps going into octaves by the same direction of movement. Here's one more example where we have a hidden fifth, right? So here we have a sixth, here we have a fifth. So we land on a fifth here, but what's the missing note? The missing note between this skip is an E, and A to E is a fifth, and that would result in a perfect or a parallel fifth. So that's a no-no too. Those hidden ones are really hard to see and they're hard to get used to, but just know that they exist. Keep an eye out for them. We'll see more of them once we start writing with first species counterpoint, which we're going to do shortly. So up next, another worksheet for you, and then we'll talk about writing some stuff in first species counterpoint.